Hey there, this is K4A, Knowledge for All, educational videos and tutorials. In this video today we are going to check out undo, redo and history of undo, redo in Nomad Sculpt. So in a couple of previous videos we have experimented a little bit with radius, size of the brush, brush intensity, smooth and so on, and more or less when you work in any kind of 3D Sculpt program, not only Nomad Sculpt, you will make lots of moves which represent sculpting, like clay or brush or something like this, and you will go like this and so on, and sometimes it will build up fast and easy and it will look good, but sometimes it will be like in real life where you sculpt and or you draw and you make mistakes just by creating, just by moving and so on. So good thing is that you can undo that move or that creation in digital programs in Nomad Sculpt also, but the bad news is that it's little bit limited, I guess, because this is still a beta version and a demo version. So to undo, for example, if I use my brush tool and I create something like this and this doesn't look good to me, just to revert it to previous state, all I have to do is click in my left bottom corner. There is a arrow pointing to the left, like go back in space. I click on it and it's like deleting the error which I made, but it's still out there if you want. So for example, if I still thinking, okay, maybe that wasn't so bad, I can redo that by clicking on the right arrow. So right is redo, go forward, go to the right, go in the future, like, and the left one is go back, delete the error, undo whatever I created wrong. You will use those lots of times and they work like in every other program more or less, and I will try to undo a couple of those to see how much. Yeah, so you can see I only clicked 3 or 4 times and I have a warning here which says sorry, trial version, undo, cancelled, which is awful and really bad. But I guess it's to limit us for creating anything which we can use in our production until we buy the professional premium version of this software. Anyway, you can see that actually I could by default go 146 times back in time. It's like this software remembered and saved 146 of my moves in some kind of list, and I can go back and revert and delete every one of those if I want to in premium version of this software. In this web demo, or I think desktop demo, that's impossible, but again, it's good to know that something like this will be available in premium mode. To see this in more details and learn more in more details, which I am not going to do in this video, but I will just click on the button to show you where to find it. There is a third button, so not the first one undo, not the second one redo, but the third one in this row. It's history. Click on it and you can actually see how this software is actually remembering the whole. You can go to the end of the list, so this is that list where all your moves are remembered. So I have 150 moves so far in software memory, and you can see how much of those costed memory wise in megabytes, and how you can actually turn them on or off. You should be able to turn them on or off in final version, and there you have also description which you actually did. For example, the sphere brush means that I have used the brush on the sphere, and it costed me like 0.18 megabytes in memory, I guess, size and so on, which is great. And this is really nice. So you can, I think you can even jump in space and time by skipping some of those, but I don't have that option here because I can go only 5 steps if I include the 5 steps back in time. If you click on settings, you can see even more details and more information how this history cost you in terms of your memory relocation, or how you call it, location memory for this feature, and how many of steps you can go back in time with undo. Also you can check do you want to see and probably undo the moves and changes on lights, materials, post-processing, and so on, which is really nice. Anyway, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. And again, even if we cannot use this tool to its maximum here on the web version, I will check it on desktop beta version, and it's definitely something in which you are going to use in premium version if you buy it. Until then, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.